Okay, my name's Edward Koenig, architect. This is a revised introductory video as an introduction to my company. I generally get asked by most people, how does this work? How do things get started? This is our website. We post all of our projects where people hire us for a certain level of service to this website. This is client updates. These are residential projects all projects that are in progress right now, whether they're in design phase or in construction. These are completed projects. So this generally is the client update page is the landing page where I would send most of my clients to review the status of their project. And on these pages, there'll be daily or weekly updates about designs that we're working on, where you can download your plan and status of the design changes we've made with a video posted to YouTube. You can either watch the video here on the website, or you can click here to watch it on YouTube. And if you watch the video, you can maximize it and you can stream it to your TV in your house and watch it on a big screen TV. All the videos we do are in 4K, so they should go onto your TV okay. But as an introduction, let me explain to you the services that we provide. Generally, my clients will ask me, we do as-builts to legalize decks, sheds, house additions. We legalize office changes or retail changes, and we also do everything new. We do new house additions, new homes, new office work. When a client calls us, we'll come out to him for an initial meeting, and we generally will give them 3 levels of possible service. Top level of service is where we do all of the general contracting for the project. We'll bid it out, we'll negotiate contracts. Not a lot of people will hire us for that unless they're absent from their building job site, like they live in the city and their house is 2 or 3 hours away in the country. So they want an extra set of eyes and ears on the contractor and us, in addition to their to the inspections from the town. So they'll hire us to take over the project. We don't get a lot of people that use us for that, because that's basically what you're hiring a reputable contractor for. We always tell you to get 3 bids, and if you get referrals, use a referral from someone that's generally within the past year, because contractors can fall out of favor, they take on too much work, and then their reputation goes downhill. So it should be a fairly recent referral. The next level of service, the middle of the road level of service, which I would say 90% of our clients choose, is to provide full color renderings, full color videos, which get posted to YouTube, and then the design drawings. Generally speaking, a project like that would be something like this. This is one we just finished last week. So we will provide the color renderings, the floor plans, and then color line drawing elevations, and then also we'll provide a video explaining the design and what worked, what didn't work, and we'll show you what the house looks like in 3D with all the changes up to date so far, what we've done, what we tried to do, what didn't work, and also why we did certain things. But the reason most people choose this level of service, this mid-range level of service, is because most people want to see what the house looks like. If I showed someone a very basic line drawing like this, without even the color, that's our lower level of service. That's what you would call builder's grade drawings. It's just enough to get the building permit. But with the mid-range service, we provide the full color renderings, the full color kitchen interiors, usually, depending upon what kind of work is involved, if it is a kitchen addition or if there's a kitchen or bathroom involved in the project. But most people want to see what their house is going to look like. So as the design progresses, you'll see all the changes here in the video. And then, this level of service also includes all the permit filing. You can hire a real estate attorney to do permit filing for you, or an expediter, and they are generally going to be $2,000 or more just to file the project. In this level of service, we include that in our service. Then if you decide to go with the bare bones level of service, which is just permit drawings, you would see just line drawings like this. Some people can decipher what a house looks like from this, but some people look at it and they can't get a sense of depth perception from the house, so they don't know what it's going to look like. Once you sign the contract, we break our services down into 30% for a deposit, 30% for the design development. That's to work on these design drawings and renderings and the elevation drawings. And then we go on to the construction drawings, which is the final 40%. For the final 40%, we do full-blown construction drawings. Let me pull up a recent set of construction drawings. The towns are getting more and more strict about what they require for a full set of drawings. So now this was just a one-story rear addition and a front porch, and we're at 11 pages of drawings. So we have our cover sheet with all of our technical jargon for the town, all of our specifications for the contractor, energy calculations that we do for the project, plumbing riser diagrams, and then these are called thermal boundary plans. The towns, as of I think 3 or 4 years ago, they wanted, the state requires that we show where the thermal boundary is, the insulated boundary around the house. So that would be, let's see, that would be this heavy thick dashed line. It shows up better on the blueprints, but that is the thermal boundary around the plan. And they also want a section showing, the section is over here, the section showing the thermal boundary in section view with the insulation called out. Right now, the energy code is a real big deal with the building departments and with the state. They're trying to conserve as much energy in a house. They don't want you heating your house and all that heated, conditioned air going right through your walls. And then we go on to the demolition plans. And then from there, we go to the foundation plan and the roof construction plan. And then these are your actual construction plans. This is a dedicated electrical plan. We have full door and window schedules with all the specifications and stock numbers and manufacturer's information for the doors and windows. And then these are your elevations. And then usually we do a minimum of one section. Usually we'll do two. This is for the front porch. And then we have lots of construction details. And then there's also something called air sealing details. These go in conjunction with those thermal boundary plans. These show the contractor how to seal all the joints in the house so that, again, the house doesn't leak your conditioned air right into the outside. To get to this point, once you sign the contract, we will measure the house with a laser tape measure. Let's see, where is that tape measure? This is our laser tape measure that we're using today. We started using laser tape measures in 1999 or 2000, and back then this laser tape measure would have been $800. Now they are maybe $130, $150. It can measure 165 feet up to a 1/8 inch accuracy. So that way we know that the existing walls in the house are exactly where we draw them on the plan. When we draw a plan of the house and we take measurements of the existing conditions, this is what we're measuring and drawing. We measure every room, ceiling heights, locations of every single door and window, the sizes of those windows, and we also try to document all the existing structure, like this 2x8s at 16 inches on center. This house actually had 3x8s at 12 inches on center. Location of the main beam, steel columns in the basement, basement windows, hot water heater, waste line going out. No, that's a water service line. And then this is a waste line going out. This is a cellar entrance on the back of the house. And then we use that to redraw your existing floor plans, and then from there we start working on construction drawings. Generally, from the day we measure to the day we get you your first design is 2 weeks. Then we go back and forth doing design revisions, and then as soon as you approve the design and give us the go-ahead to start the construction drawings, usually we need about another 2 weeks to do construction drawings. All of our projects are usually, when you go with the mid-level service, we will have all the project videos posted to our YouTube channel. These are our most recent videos that we've given to clients. Then the client emails us back comments. Everything's digital. We don't send you out paper floor plans. We do everything on the computer. We send you, everything gets posted, like I said, to the website. And we'll give you a link. Oops. We'll give you a link on the website to the client update page. Your project will be posted onto the website, and we give you a description of the phase that we're in right now, a link to the file that you can download as a PDF, and then pictures, and then this was a video for some design revisions that we did. Once the project is complete, we will mail you 5 sets of drawings and permit applications to sign and notarize so we can file the project. We do not post construction drawings to the website because that's too much technical information to be posted on the website. Also, it's intellectual property. We want only you to have those construction drawings. If you want, we will email you a PDF of the construction drawings, a direct email. But that is generally the process. We also do all of our structure in-house using a couple of different programs. The one we use right now is called ClearCalcs, and these are all of our client folders with structural calculations for every roof rafter, every beam, and this gives us an output of structural information, structural beams and stuff. Trying to see if I can find a project that has some structural calculations. This is an older program, but this gives you an idea. It provides us with all the structural information in case a building inspector asks for a beam or something, structural backup. And you can see all the moment diagrams and shear diagrams. So this tells us that this particular structural member is adequate. It's got 80% of its strength being used in this current situation. So it still has 12% of additional loading that we could put on it before it would fail by code. And we generally design a little bit stronger than the building code requires. There are minimum design values that the building code requires. Let me see let's open up typical drawing. And the minimum design values are on the code sheet of the drawings. So these are all the minimum code values. We usually go above and beyond these just to be safe. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me direct or just give me a call. Thank you.